Watch how I turn a painting into a busted canvas, only using paint. Today, I'm showing you how to turn any painting into a busted canvas using paint. This technique works with any artwork. I'm using ginger here, but you can adapt it to whatever painting you love. You don't need anything fancy, just some acrylic paint and brushes, 2 canvases, hot glue gun and a measuring tape, and a utility knife or X-Acto knife. I'm only sharing a few short clips of the painting process here because the main focus today is the busted canvas technique. If you'd like to learn how to paint ginger or explore other designs, you can find my affiliate link for KCK Designs below. When I'm choosing colors for the inside of a busted canvas, I like to pull from the painting itself. Here I'm using light magenta to match Ginger's scarf and buttons, and I'm adding holly to tie everything together. I don't worry about painting the whole inside of the canvas. Once it's cut and curled, only a little bit will show, and you can always go back and add more if needed. One thing to remember with busted canvases is that the wooden frame will cover a bit of your painting, usually about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, so you'll want to size your design accordingly. One more step before cutting and gluing, I seal both the painting and the inside of the top canvas just to protect everything. And now to the busted canvas part. One thing to watch for when cutting is not going right up to the wooden frame. I stop about 1/4 inch short. That way, when the canvas is curled, you don't see the frame. For this smaller frame, I've decided to make 4 slices. I find the center either with a ruler, or sometimes I just wing it. Using a utility knife, I make the first cut, and I make sure to stop short of the wooden frame. I repeat the process for the second, third, and fourth cut. Once the hot glue gun is ready, I apply the glue directly to the wooden frame of the top canvas. A quick tip: if your design has a top and bottom, make sure it's aligned with the painting underneath before you press it down. The gluing step needs to be done fairly quickly since the glue sets fast. Once it's in place, gently press the top canvas onto the bottom canvas, making sure everything is nice and even. For the fun reveal part, I start curling the slices and gluing them to the top canvas. I like to use the end of a wooden paintbrush to hold the curl in place while the glue sets. It helps shape the curl and keeps my fingers safely away from the hot glue. This is a great example of how a small painting can be elevated with this simple busted canvas technique. To finish the busted canvas, I'm adding a few snow details to tie everything back to the ginger painting. If you enjoyed this technique, I have more busted canvas projects you might love. I'll link them here and in the description. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel. I share creative transformations, painting projects, and lots of inspiration. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.